Once you've completed the Stripe onboarding process, all you need to do to start collecting payment is click on Pay in the Swell platform and then click on New Request. You'll fill out the necessary fields such as owner, location, and the recipient of the bill. You can also add an invoice, you can add a due date, those are optional. You can also add a description to help you remember what this payment reminder is for. You'll then complete the item list by typing out each item. You can add one, or you can add as many as you'd like. You'll notice on the right hand side, you'll actually see a running total. Once you click Save and Send, Swell will prompt you to type out a message to the recipient. Once you type out your message and press Send, it will be logged in the Swell platform. You'll also notice on the customer side, they will see a text message come in where they can click on it to read it, and they have a link inside the text message. All they have to do is tap on that link and it will take them to this page where they will be able to pay their amount. They can see more details to see what they're being charged for, and they can process their payment once they put in their card information. And that's how you use Swell Pay.